welcome back to our live. This is our last game for this matchup. This is the battle between our Xavier School versus the NDGM. Good luck sa ating team na Xavier School San Juan. Okay, muli maraming salamat po to all the parents na nagtiwala po sa akin to cover up this game. Ayan, especially to our Xavier School. Maraming salamat po. Ma'am Aline, Ma'am Gina, Sir Erwin, Sir Jasper, and View family as well, at sa lahat ng parents of the team. Gagi, Kyoto, Depano, and Cole. And also Tan, jersey number 7 and jersey number 8. Brody para sa ating first 5 at sa ating visiting team, the NDGM. Alright, that's the battle begin. First ball mapupunta sa ating visiting team. No good. There we go. Kick out. Running shot. No good. Rebound by Cole. Depano. Riley. Pass to Tan. Side step. Using the glass. No good. Rebound ng mga naka-green shirt. Good hustle para kay Jerwin. Riley. Oopsie. And that's a 8-second shot clock violation. Depano, pass to Gray, back to Depano, to Jerwin, pass to Gray, catch and shoot, no good. Rebound ng NDGM. See, out of bounds. Depano, pass to Jerwin, back to Depano. Depano setting on the play, pass to Gray. Gray, uy, what a changing pace. Depano, 6 seconds to shoot. Brody, in and out. Rebound ng NDGM. Uy, what a hustle. Ayun na, sumaksak, kick out from the corner. Libre. Oh, no good. Offensive rebound. Number 14, take a shot. No good. Rebound by Cole. To Jerwin. Pass to Gray. Gray with the cross. Gray. Tumira, wala. Rebound. Out of bounds. Wala nang mga naka-green. Ayan na, pinigay sa corner. Oh, low post. Sabi ni Cody, pwede yan. Uy, steal. Makakuha na Jerwin. Jerwin, na-atake. Bounce pass to Gray. Gray. Ooh. There's a foul. On the free throw area, jersey number 11, Gray Gagi. First shot is good. And the first point para sa ating Xavier School ay nagmula yan para kay Gray. Second shot, no good. Offensive rebound. Makukuha ng mga naka-green shirt. Ayan na. Number 10, what a cross. Pinasa sa loob. Low post with the Cove. Fade away shot, no good. Rebound by Depano. Nagagawan. Palaban din ang small guard ng NDGM. Gray, stop and pop. Yes, sir! By Gray Gagi. Another steal, pero naka-recover ang NDGM. Whoa, what a cross! Ayan na. Number 18, setting on the play. Hand off to number 34. Araw again. Pinagay kay number 18. Stop and pump. No good. Rebound by Depano. Depano may hawak ng bola. Pass to Jerwin. Jerwin attack the basket. And one. Basket count. And one. By Jerwin. 10. First shot is good for 3-point play. Bola rito ng NGDM. Oh, steal! Gray Gagi. Pass to Jerwin. Jerwin sidestep. Tumira. Wala. Offensive rebound by Cole. Bounce pass to Kyoto. Brody. Pass to Depano. Depano using the glass. Basket is good. Ay na. Ang green shirt. Who would hustle there by Depano. Oopsie, another steal ba? Makakuha. Naka-recover ang green. Oy, and that's a 8-second shot clock violation. Bola rito ng Xavier Depano. Pass to Gray. Gray take a shot for 3. No good. Rebound. Makakuha. Ayan na. Number 1. Binigay sa loob. Using the glass. No good. Rebound by Cole. Cole. Pass to Jerwin. Jerwin nagmamadali. Jerwin with the side step. Ooh. What a move by Jerwin. There we go. Number 18. Nasa corner. Sa loob, number 18. Ooh, what a hook shot. Balik ang Kalamangan. Oh, sorry. First basket para sa NDGM. Gray, pass to Depano. Back to Jerwin. Pass to Gray sa corner. Tumira, wala. Rebound by Cole. Cole, basket is good. Oy, no good. Rebound by Gray. Pass to Tan. And there's a foul. Shooting on the line of jersey number 7, Jerwin Tan. First shot, no good. Second shot is good. And steal. Cheng, handoff. Julio, go. Binigay sa corner. Jerwin, sidestep, block. Oh. Ayan na, NDGM. Pass number 8. Number 18, binigay sa corner. Fake. Ang ligsi number 18. Tumira sa 3. Short. And out of bounds. Cheng. Pass to Julio. Back to Cheng. Sorry, that's Julio. Binigay sa corner. Tang for 3. 3-point. Correction, that's 2 points. Para kay Titus Tang. Time out dito. Ang NDGM. In the time remaining, 3 minutes and 16 seconds.
Ano pa ano yung number 10 sa 14? Oh, bad! Number 10, na maliit yung number 10. Ayun o, nasa kaliwa, malapit sa board. Yan yung 14 katabi niya. Oo. Parang, parang number 9. Ano po? O ata. Hindi mo na nga. Ano? Marcero yung number 2. Number 4. Marcero. So, number 10. Abang saan na? Yan na. Hey, labas! So yun na yan
Back to the ball game. Out of bounds. Last touch.
Okay lang. Sa'yo, sundan mo lang. Okay. Uli!
Dan. Pass to Cheng.
Baba, Pogi, baba! Baba!
Pass to go. Julio. Cheng. To Tang. Titus. Pass to Julio. Short. What a nice save by you. Oy, what a tear. Drop by Julio. Go. There's a foul.
Tumin mo ng konti. Wala! Yan.
Oh, nagagawan. And that's a jump ball.
Okay, kita. Tingin sa kita. Tutok mo muna kayo sa'yo para makaayos na rin.
Time remaining 2 minutes and 16 seconds. Against the 3, no good. Out of bounds.
Okay na. Tutok maayos.
Floater, no good. Ay na, makukuha ni Cheng. Cheng, pass to Titus. Titus, what a pass to you. Basket by you. That is evil. Oh, another steal. Felipe naman ang susubok. Felipe, no good. Offensive rebound. Makukuha ni Cheng. Cheng. Pass to Titus. Titus for 3. No good. Rebound. Out of bounds. Official score po natin is 19.
Okay, nice guard.
Setting on the play, number 31. Number 18 gets the 3. No good. Offensive rebound by Evo. Si Julio. Go, nagmamadali. Go. Running shot. No good. Offensive rebound by Go. Using the glass. Basket by Julio. Go. There we go. Ayun na, good defense para kay Cheng. Nakatawid ang NDGM. Uy! Basket. Suwak na suwak yun. By jersey number 14. Cheng. Pass to Titus. Back to Cheng. Cheng. To Julio. Binigay sa corner. Titus. 4-3. Short. Rebound ng NDGM. Last 2 seconds. 2, 1. And that's the end of our first quarter. Official score 21-4 in favor of the home team, our Sabre School.
Okay.
Alright, tayo dadako na sa ating second quarter. Muli, maraming salamat po sa mga nanonood na ating live. And shout out kay Ma'am Christine Almeda is watching ng ating live. Magandang gabi po. And congratulations kanina sa laban against the Lourdes School. Okay, second quarter tayo. Ay, idol.
Florida.
You know. Kamusta dito? Shout out mo na. Shout out. Alam ko nga pala niya. Pabro. Shout out. And kay shout out po sa lahat ng ating referee na nanonood ng ating live. Ayan, magandang gabi po sa inyo mga sir. Okay, green ball. MDGM basketball. Arceo. Second quarter. Pass number 18. Nasa sa loob. Stop and pump. No good. Defensive rebound. Number 14. And there's a foul. Parts. Setting on the play. Jacob pinasok na rin para sa Xavier. Gets the shot. No good. Rebound. Makakuha pa rin. Dito mama. Offensive rebound. Paiko. Ayan na. Si Brody. Brody attacking the basket. Uy! Miscommunication. Oh, another steal by Brody. Brody looking for a teammate. Pass to Jacob. Jacob pass to Gray. Gray. Sidestep. Block by number 14. Makaka-recover ba? And out of bounds. I am remaining 8 minutes and 45 seconds. Ayan na, ang green. Back to pass. The guy sa corner, number 18. Number 18 gets the shot. No good. Rebound by Cole. Pass to DeAndre. You. Oy! Short.
Yan sa'yo.
Time remaining 8 minutes and 4 seconds. Brody with an inbound. What a pass to goal. Basket. Iba na ang matangkad, sabi ni Cole. Oh, another steal. Depano, pass to Jaco. Another steal by Jaco. Tumira, offensive rebound. Spin, pass to Brody. Brody with a catch and shoot. No good. Rebound. Ayan na. Ang green. Pinangasa sa corner. Fake, pass to number 17 to number 13. Ah, sorry, that's number 18. Number 18, binigay. Stop and pump, no good. Rebound by Jaco. Yeng. Nagmamadali dito kasi Yeng. Pass to Cheng. Nasa corner, Depano with a shot, no good. Rebound by Brody. Brody using the glass. Basket is good. Ayun na. Oh, there's a traveling. There's a foul.
Sa'yo kayo na, sa'yo kayo.
Time remaining 6 minutes and 47 seconds. Running shot, no good. Rebound by Brody. Brody pass to Depano. Depano to Cheng, pass to Cole. Cole, tinutok na lang, but there's a foul. Shooting the line by jersey number 13, Cole. First shot is good. Swak masok yan para kay Cole. Cole, basket, using the glass. 29 and 5. Ayun na. Oh. Ayun na, number 4. Stop and pump. Block there by Cole. Pass to Jaco. Jaco, rang mamadali, using the glass all the way. Yes, sir. Ayun na, double team. Ganap lang mapapasahan. Still, and that's 8 seconds. Shot clock violation. Official score is 31-5. Riley to Depano, back to Cheng. Cheng, pass to Cole, back to Cheng, pass to Depano. Depano, side step, wala, rebound by Cole, binomba sa loob, tinutok na lang, pasok yan. Ay, Cole. Ayun na, uy, munti ka na magawa ni Brody. Number 4, oh, steal by Depano. Cheng, side step. Uy, offensive rebound. Cole, short. Rebound by Jaco. Very good. What a smart move by number 34. To get the ball in outside. Substitution, Felipe. Gray and you coming in for Cole. Ayan na, number 4. Idipensahan ni Jacob. Number 10, rather. Hand off. Oh, still. Jaco all the way. Basket by Jaco Yang. Ayun na, number 10 setting on the play. Pinasa kanan. Guess the shot. Uy! Good. DeAndre Yu. Pass to Jaco. Pass to Yu. Pinasa kay Gray. Gray, the Hesi. Pass to Felipe. Back to you. Pass to Gray. Jump shot sa corner. No good. Rebound by Brody. Brody, lalabas ang bola. Kick out to you. Tumira, wala. Rebound by Gray again. Gray, pass to Jaco. Jaco with the Hesi. What a pass. Block. Naka-recover si Felipe. Brody. 3 seconds to shoot. You for 3. Short. 24-second shot clock violation. Bola rito ay ng green team. Number 18. Nasa corner. Gets the 3, no good. Rebound. DeAndre, pass to Gray, binigay sa corner. Tan, pass to you. To Gray with a Hesi. Back to you. Pass to who? Felipe. Basket by Felipe. Go. 37-7. Favor pa rin sa ating Xavier School. Pass number 18. Step back to short. Makukuha ni Titus. Titus nagmamadali. Titus dire-diretso. Nice pass to Jerwin. Assisted by Titus Tang. 39-7. Number 18 setting on the screen. Setting on the play. 3 daw, 3. Ayan na, sino tatanggap? Number 14. Number 14 attacking the basket and there's a foul. Free throw area, jersey number 14 para sa NDGM.
Okay na.
First shot is good. Second shot. Swak na swak, 2 for 2. Last 49.88 seconds remaining. Gray. Pinasa corner. Titus for 3. No good. Ayan na, number 14. Tumira, wala. Good defense para sa Xavier by Julio Go. DeAndre Yu, pass to Titus. Pass to you. Pass to Gray. To Jerwin. Sidestep. Block. Rebound by number 14. Steal by you. to Jerwin. Oh, all the way. Yes, para sa dos. What a buzzer beater by Jerwin Tan. All right, end of the first half, official score is 41-9 in favor of our Xavier School. And shout out to all the parents, especially to our Xavier School. Magandang gabi po sa inyong lahat. This is our last game ngayong araw. Ayan, thank you Lord. At hope na maging okay ang ating live coverage. At sa mga nakasama ko, shoutout sa inyo kay paring Rocky Pacheco and former Kagawad Rudy Alfonso. Ayan, sa mga nakasama natin yan sa pag-live kanina ng mga laro dito sa Xavier. And ganun din sa mga parents na nagtiwala muli sa akin. Maraming salamat po. Galit ka ba, Rep? Pagod na, pagod. Rep, shoutout! Evo Vu. Evo. You. Correction. Stefano. To Jerwin. Pass to Evo. You. Jump shot. No good. Offensive rebound by Cole. To Jaco. Catch and shoot. Basket. 43-9 in favor of the Xavier. Number 18. Hand off. Number 14. Running shot. No good. What a save there. Yun lang. Stepping on the line. Pass to Depano. Back to Jerwin. Pass to Depano. Back to Jerwin. Jerwin. Running shot. Yes. Para sa dos by Jerwin. Number 18. Cross. And up there. Hindi ka na gawin ni Jordan. Oh! What a nice shot. Double digit na rin dito ang MDGM. Depano, pass to Jerwin. Back to Depano. To Jaco. To Cole sa loob. Uy! Nice shot. Isu-shoot mo na lang eh. 47 and 11. Number 18. Hand off. Number 14. Number 18. Tumira sa 3. No good. Rebound by Cole. Pass to Jaco. Pass to Depano. Depano. To Jerwin. To Depano. Jaco. To Cole. Cole binigay. Evo using the glass. Swak na swak para kay Evo. You. Number 18. Number 3, one hand shot, no good. Rebound by Cole. Jerwin with the rebound. Ayan na, Jerwin. Oh, sorry, that's Jaco. No good. Ang gagawan. Steal by Depano. Depano nagmamadali. Bounce pass. Steal there. Ayan na. Hinahabol ni Evo. Number 18. Up and under. No good. Rebound by Jaco. Out that pass to Jerwin. Jerwin all the way. Basket. Ooh, and one. Nakalusot si number 18. Not counted. Time remaining 5 minutes and 34 seconds. Basket. 51-14. DeAndre Yu coming in for Depano and Jerwin. Julio Go coming in then para sa Xavier.
Depensa, baba!
Yu.
Baba!
Pass to DeAndre.
Agad!
Oopsie, steal. No good. Rebound by DeAndre. Pass to Jaco. Stop and pump. Whoa, in and out. Rebound. Steal by you. Side step. No good. Rebound by Brody. Brody. Tumira. Wala. Rebound again. By Jaco. Depano. No good. Offensive rebound by Brody. Tumira. Wala. And there's a jump ball. Green ball. Steal by Julio. Go. Attacking the basket. Oh, good.
Yung parang kapag sila sa yan, hindi nakalapit. Pag nandyan na, both sides,
Julio Go. Basket.
okay, sa'yo. Ayan.
53-14.
Masyadong ano, okay na.
And good defense by Julio. Top of the key for 3. Short. Out of bounds. Timeout.
Paulo, sa'yo muna yan. Nag-react lang.
Last 3 minutes tayo. Pass to Felipe sa loob. Oh, nice shot by Felipe. Go. Jersey number 9. Ayun na, handoff. Running shot, no good. You, pass to Gray, back to you. To Julio. Pass to you. To Julio, catch and shoot, no good. Rebound by Felipe. Felipe, too strong. Rebound by Brody. Brody, binigay to Gray. Catch and shoot, no good. Defensive rebound by Felipe. And there's a foul.
Ayan, nasa iyo. Okay.
Time remaining 1 minute and 42 seconds. Basket is good. 56-14. Second shot para kay Julio. Sorry, that's Felipe. 2 for 2. 57-14. Sabi to siya yun eh.
Okay, sa'yo. Ano sa'yo?
You. Pass Gray, back to you. To Julio. To Brody. Brody sa loob. No good. Rebound by Gray. Gray. No good. Defensive rebound by Brody. No good. Defensive rebound by Felipe. Wala pa rin. Defensive rebound by Brody. Pass to you. In and out. Rebound again. Gray. Basket na para kay Gray. 59-14. There's a foul. Running shot, no good. Rebound. DeAndre Yu. Pass to Titus. Stop and pump. No good. Offensive rebound. That is Felipe. Go. And that's the end of our third quarter. Official score 61-14. In favor of our Savior School. Last quarter tayo. Let's go. Let's go, Savior. Last quarter game.
Galing sa loob. Yung nakasuot sa kanya.
Fourth quarter. Bad pass. Gotta go over. Number 14. Fake. Back to number 14. Top of the key. Gets a 3. No good. Rebound by Brody. Pass to DeAndre. You. Pass to Titus. Cheng. Pass to Brody. Hop step. Using the glass. No good. Offensive rebound by Felipe. Pass to Titus. No good. Rebound ng mga naka-green. Oopsie. Time remaining 8 minutes and 57 seconds. Evo coming in and go. Stefano floater. Yes, sir. Boy. Kick out. Gets a 3. No good. Rebound by Titus. Titus. Pass to Cole. Kick out to Evo. Steal. Ooh. Number 18. Number 18 fake. Stop and pump. In and out. Rebound by Cole. Pass to Depano. Depano to Titus. Back to Evo. Pass to Depano. Depano attacking the basket. Ooh. Floater basket is good. 65-14 in favor pa rin sa Xavier School. Number 18. Running shot, no good. Rebound. Depano. Pass to Cheng. To Titus. Evo sa loob. No good. Cole. No good. Offensive rebound. Depano. Wala pa rin. Offensive rebound ng NDGM. Ayan na. Nagmamadali. Number 14. Spin. No good. Rebound by Cole. Last 6 minutes tayo. Depano, handoff to Cheng. Back to Depano. Oh, nakalusot doon si Cheng. $67-14. Hand off to number 14, binigay. Steal by Cheng. Cheng, nagmamadali. Cheng, oh, derecho, no good. Rebound by Titus. Titus, tumira, wala. Rebound by Depano. Oh, sorry, that's Cheng. Back to Depano. Depano, top of the key for 3. Bang, bang, bang. By Depano Riley. Time out. And DGM. Time remaining 4 minutes and 54 seconds. A score. Okay, correction, 68 pa rin. 14 ang ating score. Okay, back to the ball game.
Okay, bumo lang ha.
Ooh. Sinigay sa corner. Get a shot, no good. Rebound by Jayco. Jayco, nagmamadali. Pass to Jerwin. And there's a foul. Time remaining 4 minutes and 2 seconds. Shooting the line and jersey number 7, Jerwin. First shot is good. 69-14. No good. Rebound by Evo. Offensive rebound by Cole. Cole. And that's a 3 seconds violation. Steal by Jayco. Pass to Jerwin. Jerwin all the way. Basket. Easy 2 points. By Jerwin Tan. Uy, steal. Naka-recover. Steal by Jerwin. Advance pass to Jayco. No good. Wala. Rebound again by Jerwin. Pass to Titus from elbow 3. No good. Rebound sa alambig. Sa alangguardia. Ayan na. Nagmamadali. Number 10. Attacking the basket. Short. Rebound by Tan. To Jayco. Jayco to Cole. Libreng libre. That is Cole. 73-14. Last 2 minutes tayo. Substitution. Gray and you. Whoopsie, steal by DeAndre. DeAndre nagmamadali. DeAndre, what an extra pass to Gray Kagi. (75-14). Number 10. Number 7. Short. Ay, hindi ko pala nalagay. Sorry. Time remaining 1 minute and 8 seconds. Kagi to you. Pass to Julio. Pass to Brody. And that's a 3 seconds violation.
Tama yan.
Steal by DeAndre. Out that pass. Gray. Ooh. Here we go. Last 22 seconds. Last 14. 13. Last 10 seconds. 10. At dito na po nagtatapos ang ating laban. And what a nice game from both team. Nice game para sa NDGM. And congratulations to our winning team, ang Xavier School. Alright, our final score 75-14. Manalo po ang ating team, ang Xavier School. Okay, maraming salamat po sa inyong panonood and God bless everyone and keep safe hanggang sa muli. This is your host, John Paulo Florida. Maraming salamat po. At magkita-kita po tayo muli sa ating next game dito sa ating Xavier School Basketball team.